Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkini, and today's video I'm going to talk about that BlackRock's CEO is very bullish on Bitcoin, and actually it's kind of surprised the way it's performing. I mean, the Bitcoin Spot ETFs, even they are surprised. Okay, then we have another thing, which is all about that Fidelity files S1 application with US SEC for spot Ethereum ETF, and actually the bonuses with staking. Then we have ARK Invest Bitcoin ETF, its daily inflow record, and Coinbase is about to move customer and corporate USDC balance to Base network. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos to keep you up to date, short videos, longer videos. So if that's important for you, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, and for start, let's have a look at the prices. Well, Bitcoin is slightly down, still above 715 actually right now, and that's 0.6% down, actually moving up and down a little bit, but moving sideways kind of. Then we have Ethereum 2% down, 3,563 US dollar. The top gainer is now Gate token 16% up, Doge 13%, Bitcoin Cash 13% up. Losers, Montel down 17%, but recently it went up quite nicely. Also same with Internet Computer, 10% down, and now we have Dog with Hat about 8% down. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see this is the 4-hour one. After we had here this reverse head and shoulders, we had this kind of breakout, and now here we're moving kind of sideways. Yesterday we did have a little drop, but it's normal. They playing this kind of game. When it looks like, okay, if you're gonna break out, then people go for long positions with leverage, and yeah, they are kind of shaken out because of these kind of things, and then we start to go back again. So this is how it goes. And now let's talk about BlackRock, Larry Fink, and his opinion about Bitcoin, because he's kind of bullish about it. So BlackRock's CEO is very bullish on Bitcoin as its ETF crosses 17 billion US dollar. And well, listen to this interview here. That's a kind of short one, but important one.
I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin.
I was going to say, did that surprise you?
That surprised me how much that's
Really?
gone up. I mean, look at it. It is. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised, and I would never have predicted it before we filed it, that we were going to see this type of retail demand.
So you thought you'd do good, but not this good.
I thought, yes.
Well, IBIT is your ETF over at iShares.
Yes.
It's about to overtake Grayscale, which was in the business certainly a lot longer. You look at the gains since January 11th when it first came about.
Yes.
Have you ever seen this much inflow this quickly into
IBIT is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs.
And that's a strong word, to be honest with you, because yeah, not this one, sorry. So first of all, he's saying that he's surprised. So he thought, yes, it's going to perform well, but not that well. And also now saying, this is kind of important, that IBIT is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs. Nothing has gained assets as fast as IBIT in the history of ETFs. So, well, here is another opinion from Matt Hogan, who is the CIO of Bitwise, saying that massive Bitcoin ETF growth will continue for years. Also, experts say institutional investment in Bitcoin has barely even begun. So we are very at the beginning, not beginning of Bitcoin, because that has started back in 2009, but at the beginning of the institutional inflow. And yeah, so far so good, but we staying here with the ETFs, because when I continue now, let's talk about Fidelity also wants Ethereum Spot ETF. So more and more issuers want their own share in the next one, which could be Ethereum Spot ETF. And we have now Fidelity files for S1 application, and which is very interesting now for filed with the US SEC for Spot ETF, but with staking. So that's a twist in the story, kind of. Here they're saying that the trust intends to establish a program to stake a portion of the trust assets through one or more staking infrastructure providers. And yeah, here is the S1 fitting. So this could be another one, when it's coming, we don't know, but it's likely this year. And, then we have another crypto spot ETF, and who knows, then other big players can enter as well. I mean, other big cryptos by market cap could be Solana. Who knows? What do you think? You can let me know in the comment section. And also, the inflows are continuing pretty well when it comes to Bitcoin spot ETF. Actually, ARK Invest daily inflow just break a new record. So it looks like Katie Wood's Bitcoin ETFs also getting popular as it hits daily inflow record. And the new record is $201.8 million. That happened here on the 27th of March. And this is actually almost fourfold increase from its daily average, which is $43.9 million. And before that day, they had 73.6 million. So it's almost 3 times of that. So for them, it was a historical day when it comes to inflows into Bitcoin spot ETF at ARK, because on the 27th of March, they had this huge number, $201.8 million. So we can see this topic is still hot and it doesn't show any slowdown. Finally, we have another news. It's all about that Coinbase move customers and corporate USDC balance to Base. So Base Network came out about 7 months ago. It's a layer 2 blockchain on the Ethereum blockchain. And well, it looks like it's getting bigger and bigger. First of all, it's getting hot when it comes to meme coins now recently. But also now Coinbase announced that they're going to move customer and corporate USDC balance to Base Network. So it's getting more and more serious, and could be actually an interesting player of this bull market and also the future. Right, okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's a motive for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.